Welcome, Art Agent Specialists, to your mission inspiration for the month of May. Your mission, should you wish to accept it, is as follows. Your list of ingredients to include, but not necessarily in order, are A. Dab paint over your page with a sponge. B. Add texture paste. C. Create trips and runs with colour. D. Add or glue book text, words or script. E. Add 3 or 5 matching focal points. F. Add highlights or shadows. G. Add journaling or leave a space for later. And finally H. Add a border, a frame or a surround. Your colour scheme for the month is sky, sunshine and red apple. And your words for inspiration are wonder, alive, peace, heart and kindness. And remember, this mission will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.